To enable and use Circle to Search in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the display touch and options, sorry for that. Go to navigation mode next, and then on the bottom you can activate Circle to Search. To activate it, we'll need to hold the circle button right here in the middle, and then we can access our Circle to Search. Now to actually use it, there's multiple different ways. First thing is to select something on the screen. For example, images. So we can select the specific image and then perform, after that you'll be able to perform Google search with it. You can ask about this image as well. Another way to use it is to just click on the text, and that way you can also perform a search using the text on the screen. You can then click on the translate button, which will allow you to translate some of the text on the screen, and we can select, not like this, sorry. Let's click on translate again, and then on the top you can find a bar that allows you to translate it from one language, the original language for the text on the screen, and then you can translate it to the other one, like this one, for example. You can also click on the music button right here to detect the music, but this app does not support music search, so sadly we won't be able to use it in this case, but the phone on its own does support the option to detect the music. I've made other video about it. If you're interested, you can watch it. And lastly, we can click on the Google right here and then perform the entire image Google search and then ask about it as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.